Okay, Momma Cherri, I've never cooked fried chicken like this before, and I've been subscribed to you for 2 years now, and I've always wanted to make your fried chicken, your MCFC, but yeah, this is the first time I'm following your recipe. I don't have your Cajun seasoning, your love dust, but I do have some Old Bay seasoning here and some Cajun spice seasoning. So I followed the exact same recipe. Used oil in there and butter for flavor and coloring, and now it's been frying for about 20 minutes now. I've turned it and put the lid on, to make it cook. So after this, I'm gonna flip it again and flip it over again, and I'm gonna taste it. Okay, Momma Cherri, here's your MCFC recipe. I'm so excited to try it. It smells really, really good. Taste one. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh. That is really, really good. And really crispy too. I'm gonna eat this with rice since I'm Asian. But this is one of the best fried chickens I've ever tasted. This is really cool. I made one for my sister. I made enough for my sister and myself, but thank you, Momma Cherri, for this recipe. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be making this from now on. This is really awesome.